morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the online portal now. Let's continue our lesson in English. So we are doing lesson 8 from supplementary reader, the hack driver. So far we have learned that the hack driver popularly named Bill, or popularly known as Bill, there in New Mullion. The writer went there in order to get Oliver Lutkins, as he was wanted by the court. So the hack driver, he was quite friendly and cooperative with the writer. Actually he meant business, but the writer was very innocent. He was so gentle, he could not understand. And the Bill, the hack driver, took the young writer or the lawyer to many places, and they met many men. Let's continue now. What happened? Number 1, there are altogether 6 points. Bill means the hack driver, you know it. The Bill took the young lawyer, or you can say the writer, to various places. First, Bill took him to the fridge shop, then the Gustav saloon, and then again Mr. Gray's saloon, and after that he will take some other places. So he will take him to some other place. Bill took the young lawyer to various places and met many men, such as Fritz, Gustav, and Mr. Gray. So they were all businessmen. All of them said they went there and asked about Oliver Lutkins. The writer stayed behind, and Bill went in front of these people and asked about Oliver Lutkins. These people thought that Bill is making fun. That's why they said, oh, he was just here a minute ago, and 5 minutes ago he was here and he has just gone away. So all of them said, Lutkin has just left now. So they could not catch him. They means the writer and the Bill, hack driver. They pursued him. Pursue means to go after. They pursued him, just behind him, but never catching him. They were just behind the trail of Oliver Lutkins, but they were unable to catch him. It was past 1 p.m. It was already afternoon. The writer or the young lawyer was feeling hungry. The writer was feeling hungry. He enjoyed the company of Bill, the hack driver, and a good opinion. He had a good opinion about the neighbors there. The people are very cooperative. They are ready to help the stranger. And he means the writer, the young lawyer. The young lawyer enjoyed the company of his hack driver or Bill, and a good opinion about his neighbors there, such as Fritz, Gustav, Grays. He had a good opinion about them. Means these people are very gentle, they are very cooperative, very helpful, they are ready to help a stranger. So in this way, the writer developed a good opinion about the people over here, Bill and his neighbors. Here number 4, the writer hardly cared. The writer hardly cared whether he would find Lutkins or not. The writer hardly cared whether he would find Lutkins or not. He said, because he enjoyed the company of Bill and had a good opinion about his neighbors, he just enjoyed. He said to Bill, how about something to eat? The writer said, the young lawyer said to the hack driver, how about something to eat? Let's go to the restaurant and I'll buy you a lunch. The writer said to the hack driver, since he was very cooperative and took him to many places in search of Lutkins, The writer was very gentle and he said, let's go to the restaurant and have something to eat. I'll buy you a lunch. But the bill was not ready. The bill said, no, I can't go to the restaurant. Moreover, the food is greasy over there, oily, and I don't like. And the restaurants are also not bad, not good over here. They are bad. So my wife will be waiting at home. So he said, bill, but the bill was not ready. He wanted to go home as his wife would be waiting. He said, my wife would be waiting, so I don't want to go to the restaurant. I don't like the food of a hotel. So the food over there is quite greasy and oily. Moreover, my wife will be waiting at home. I have to go. So in this way, he was not ready. So his wife would be waiting, he said. Moreover, the restaurants over there are not good. They are bad, he said. So he doesn't want to go. So he said, Bill suggested, it will be better if you like, I'll tell you what to do. We'll go to my house, my wife will prepare the lunch, she will pack the lunch, and she will not charge much, $50, less than what you pay in the restaurant. So Bill suggested the writer that they must go to Bill's house. We'll go to Bill's house. We must go to our house, Bill's house, and his wife will pack the lunch. Bill's wife will pack the lunch for them, and she won't charge more than $50. Bill said, my wife will not charge more than $50. She will pack the lunch and will take the lunch. Then they will go up. Then Bill said, we'll go up to the Wade's Hill. There is a Wade's Hill. We'll go up there and enjoy the view while we eat. So the Bill suggested the writer to go to his house and take the lunch from his house. His wife will pack, Bill's wife will pack the lunch, and she would not charge more than $50. Then they would take the lunch, packed lunch, to the Wade's Hill, and they will, from there they will enjoy the view while they eat. So the Bill suggested the writer, and writer followed. Writer agreed. Okay, that's fine. So since the restaurant charge more, your wife will charge only $50. That means $50 for Bill and $50 for the writer. That is $1. For $1 they can have lunch. So in this way, moreover, the restaurant will charge them more. So the writer fall into his suggestion and he agreed. And they went to Bill's house. His wife prepared the lunch, packed, and they went to the Wade's Hill and they sat down and ate the lunch while watching the view. So in this way, so we'll continue something more, what happens after that. So that's this much for today. Thank you for watching so attentively and listening so carefully. Thank you very much for watching. So we'll meet in the next class and continue after the lunch what they will do. Now they are at the Wade's Hill, a little high hill over there near that. New Mullion, there was a high hill. Wade's Hill, they are eating their lunch and watching the view. So after that, what happens? Whether they will find Oliver Lutkins and whether the writer would be able to take Oliver Lutkins to the city for the witness. Let's see now in our next class. Thank you very much for